Excessive use of chemicals, styling, heat damages hair, causes hair fall. But not for me, because I have something special. Mainstream. Bataun? Try the 100% Ayurvedic, no paraben, no sulfate formula from Mainstream. The Fenugrow hair treatment kit, which contains a hair treatment oil, shampoo and conditioner. The Fenugrow hair fall control oil combines the goodness of fenugreek and onion to strengthen your hair and reduce hair breakage. The shampoo and conditioner are mild for effective cleansing and conditioning. So Mainstream Hair Care Solution has tapped the home ingredient Methi for its unlimited benefits. Why don't you give it a try and let the magic of Mainstream Methi show on your hair?